Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's only been a week, but I've got something else now, which literally arrived about a few hours ago, so I thought I'd film another video. So, last week I did a review of the deluxe edition 15th Doctor Sonic, and hang on, I've got so many boxes here, which one's which, and I said, I'll show you the box and everything. This week, I received the standard edition. As you can see, they have literally just arrived. I don't know why I'm looking over there. They have literally just arrived. I haven't opened them yet. So I'm going to open them probably badly on here. Right. So we need to, I say open them, open one of them. I think I end up ripping the last one. So there's a thing there. There's a thing there. And then I think you just, hang on, there's more tape here. There we go. Right. And then, oh, no. I don't care about the box. There we go. And then, bear with me guys. And this is why I buy two to keep in the box. But the reason I opened it on camera, I want to show you what was on the back of it. There we go. Got it. Goodbye. Right. And this is the standard edition. Oh, it does work. I thought it wasn't going to work then, but it does. Right, so let's just look at it first. So you got, it's exactly the same. It's a bit, it feels less premium. It definitely feels less premium compared to this one. You can definitely feel this one is definitely more premium already, just by the feel of it. So it still opens and closes the same way. Actually, that's really hard to do. It's not as easy as that one. It might be because it's new, but yeah, it's definitely not as easy to open and close. So that's the first noise. Same as the second noise. No. Yeah. So the noise is exactly the same. The thing I didn't know till I saw a video on it yesterday, that when you open this, it doesn't do the noise. Well, on this one, which is a bit weird. So that one, it doesn't have that noise. This one, and it obviously doesn't have the evil mode that everyone's calling it. Still got that. I assume that's exactly the same. Oh, it doesn't have the noise. It doesn't have the noise. That's a bit. Yeah, it's weird. It's strange that I haven't got that noise. That feels more easy to come out actually. That one's a bit more tighter. But then this is really tight to close it. You've got the crystal still compared to this one. Exactly the same. Are they the same size? I would have thought so. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much the same size. They both look like computer mouses. People say that looks more like a mouse, but I still think that looks like a mouse as well. A company should do that, make a computer mouse out of it. That'd be really cool. So yeah, I don't like this one. That is really hard to turn. I don't know because I've turned this one so much. That is really easy. Compared to that one. This one feels cheaper. But the difference is £5. The official difference is £5. Amazon are selling this a bit more than Forbidden Planet. I haven't seen any other websites yet. So yeah, interesting. Definitely feels more premium. Let's just compare the boxes. I've got to remember which is which now. So this is literally the only difference is the deluxe edition on the side. Where would it be? There. That's the only difference. There is the deluxe edition. I think the picture on the deluxe one is the standard one because they're exactly the same. Yeah, interesting. I didn't expect it to feel, well, I shouldn't really. And it does actually feel a little flimsy. I can't believe it doesn't have that noise. That is strange. Can't go over that. I suppose they've got to make some differences, haven't they? So I think the official price difference is £5. So it's that, no noise, and then no noise on this either. Try again. Yeah, I don't like that. So I also have here, because last week I mentioned the full team Doctors, I have the online exclusive box. See where it says online exclusive. Go and watch my review of this one. I go more in depth about it. So that's the online exclusive one. And then you have the I have the one open. Flimsy. And you got the normal noises. I'm not going to go into the red and blue mode, which had nothing to do with previous Doctors, like I said on my review. And then you got the standard one, which is again, I have compared these in a video actually. It is online, so I have compared these in a video, but I just want to give you a quick look. And then you got the box for the standard edition as well. And then the box for the yeah, it looks the same on this one. So it looks like they used a standard model on this one as well. I just wanted to say that. Anyway, so yeah, interesting. I didn't expect there to be that many differences. Actually, that is getting a bit easier now. See how quick this one goes. Well, this one is a bit more. I think it will open and close more better the more you do it. Yeah, interesting. will say they are about the same brightness, but I think that one probably used more, so it probably does need new batteries. So yeah, I'm glad they've not just done this one. I don't know if I would have been happy about this one. And for the price as well. It does have the open and close noise. Yeah, I think this one is definitely the better one. So yeah, it's good for kids, obviously. Obviously, it's not for my target market. Again, the batteries are in there. You just... There we go. Just in there. Something else that I should have mentioned also, all the legal stuff that they normally slap all over this thing is actually under the battery cover. So fair play. I think no, that's the same material. I thought that was a different material on the other one, but it's not. I'm gonna try and put this on now. There we go. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I'm glad they've done this one. I wouldn't have been happy with that. That feels cheap. That feels cheap as hell. But this one does feel better. So I'm glad they made that one. So this one is the better option, I think. If you're a kid, then fine, that one. They're not going to know the difference, are they? But yeah, definitely that one. This is good as a collector thing, I guess. If you like me and collect them, and you buy two to keep in boxes, like I have done with all the recent Sonics. So yeah, all in all, very good. These are flimsy, like I said in the other video, and you can hear it as well. This does feel a bit more flimsier. And actually, this isn't damaged. No, actually, the paint job's not as good. You really have to look, but I don't know if you can see it. The paint is a bit there, and you probably won't see it on there as well. Yeah, interesting. But, you know, it is a toy at the end of the day. And it is aimed at kids. 5+. So yeah. Right, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think comparing them. So yeah, that's it. That's my review of these toys. Hope you liked it. Definitely for this one. Not that one, this one. The deluxe one. I've always said that about 5 times. But thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.